Welcome to Chiang Mai. Most visitors spend all their time inside the old city walls, exploring royal palaces and famous temples. But if you step just beyond the moat, you'll find Wualai, a neighborhood built by artisans, silversmiths, and everyday families who shaped this city. In this video, I'll take you on a self-guided walk through Wualai, from historic gates to hidden temples, silver pavilions, and a peaceful park where locals unwind. Personally, I find this side of Chiang Mai even more beautiful than the walled city. Let's go! We start at Chiang Mai Gate, one of the city's 5 main entrances. Built in 1296 by King Meng Rai, it was once a hub for merchants and monks passing through. The gate's walls have been rebuilt many times after wars and invasions, but today the area is best known for its buzzing street food scene. Morning or night, this is where you see real Chiang Mai life in action. Wat Thatkam is a small temple which hides a special treasure, the legendary silver Buddha. The statue, made of dark silver and adorned with red gems, is said to date back to the Sukhothai era. Sadly, the hall was closed during my visit, but even the temple's ornate vihan and ancient ruins nearby are worth pausing for. It's a quieter, humbler stop compared to the old city temples. Wat Yang Kuang may look modest, but is layered with history. Local stories say King Meng Rai once rested here while scouting the valley for his new capital. Later, after wars left Chiang Mai abandoned, Tai Khuen families from Myanmar resettled the city and restored this temple. Look closely. The Burmese-style Chinta lions and maroon stucco are a reminder of that heritage. It's living proof of how Chiang Mai was rebuilt by many hands. Wat Nantaram once anchored Chiang Mai's lacquerware trade, but what makes it unique today are its modern 3D Dhamma puzzle murals. These artworks reinterpret Buddhist teachings as visual riddles to engage younger generations. Unfortunately, the hall was closed during my visit, but even from the outside, you'll notice Ganesha figures standing proudly alongside traditional Buddhist imagery. Wat Muen is Wualai's hidden silver temple. While Wat Sri Supan gets the fame, Wat Muen is quieter and more accessible. Its silver pavilion glitters with hand-tooled panels, everything from lana floral motifs to zodiac stupas hammered into shining alloy. Sometimes you can even watch silversmiths at work here. Next door, the Suttajitto Art Gallery displays more of these stunning repoussé silver panels. Don't rush this stop. It's a true showcase of local artistry without the crowd. Here it is, the crown jewel of Wualai. Wat Sri Supan's Ubosot is the world's first ordination hall entirely covered in silver and aluminum alloy. Every surface, inside and out, tells stories of the Buddha, lana myths, and even modern events, all in dazzling detail. One note, women aren't permitted inside the Ubosot due to tradition, so the 50 baht ticket may feel limiting. If that's the case, Wat Muen just down the street offers equally breathtaking silver work, and it's free. After temple hopping, it's time to relax. Buak Hard Park is a local favorite, a green oasis where families picnic, joggers make their rounds, and men play sepak takraw. Originally a reservoir dug in the 14th century, it now hosts the famous Chiang Mai Flower Festival every February. If you need a recharge, grab a coffee at Minimal Coffee tucked right inside the park. Aircon, charging outlets, and a good cup to end your walk. If your walk happens to be on a Saturday, stick around. Wualai turns into one of Chiang Mai's best night markets, lined with food stalls, crafts, and live music. I've covered this in a separate video, links in the description if you'd like to join me for the evening vibe. So, there you have it, the Wualai Walking Trail, a mix of history, artistry, and everyday life just outside the city wall. If you're looking for Chiang Mai beyond the tourist checklist, this is where you'll find it. Thanks for walking with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Chiang Mai videos for more frugal, self-guided adventures.